Rebecca. If you're new to the channel, that's Tootsie. Welcome. She's welcoming you. I'm in the kitchen today. This is the morning show with Crafting Journey. I am actually out of town at the crafting retreat. So I am fast forwarding because I forgot to restart the camera. So yeah, I'm not used to being in the kitchen in front of the camera. Anyway, welcome. I hope you're doing well today. Like I said, I'm at the retreat, or I'm actually driving to the retreat as we speak. So today I'm in the kitchen. I'm baking oatmeal raisin cookies. What you saw before was the butter. I added the eggs, the vanilla, the brown sugar, the flour, the oats, the raisins, and the baking soda. All off camera, apparently. So that's mixed up. First batch is in the oven. We got 7 minutes left on that. Got my dinner cooking. Well, let's cook dinner together, shall we? Anyway, this day in history, Mata Hari was executed. Now, who was Mata Hari? I need something to start a mess with. She was a spy. Who knew? She was an exotic dancer. And she had this show where she would literally strip naked. And this was, she was executed in like 1917. So you didn't get to see those kind of shows often, like completely naked. But then she started sleeping with these very important men, generals, you know, very high up in the military. Lots of pillow talk. Making fried rice. This is the P.F. Chang's chicken fried rice. It's delicious, and the dogs are hungry. So she was spying for, who was she spying for? Germany. But they think she was also a double spy for France. And France is the people, they're the ones that executed her. They put her in front of a firing squad after this bogus trial where it was all, you know, circumstantial evidence, and they think the French were just doing it to save face because they were losing the war. And she refused to wear a blindfold, and they shot her. Yeah, which I guess that's a step up from hanging, but wow. Anyway, I have had such a day today. This is the third show I'm taping. I already taped Friday's episode. You'll see that tomorrow. So you'll have content on both days. I'm gonna try to go to bed early, but you know me, I'll pick up some craft. I'll finish my section on my diamond painting, which I'm almost done with, or I will start crocheting something. And then, you know, hours later, I'm still awake. So I just decided, you know, I'll bring a pillow with me, and if I get tired on the road, I'll just stop at a rest stop and catch a few Z's, you know, take a little nap. Lock myself into the car, of course. Hi, Jake. Hi, do you want to say hello? Say, yeah. Hi, people. Hi, people. He wants dinner. And here's Tootsie. I don't know if you can see her, but she's like, what am I missing? Now I gotta wash my hands again. Yeah, thanks for that. So, it is National Grouch Day. Now, this is a day I can get behind. Let's check on the cookies. They look so yummy. Yeah. Did I turn the oven on? Oh, I never turned the burner on. I'm crazy. Anyway, when you're cooking, turn on the burner. Yeah. Me and cooking, yeah, I can do any kind of craft, but cooking, yeah, Wow. I love to bake, but I'm not a great cook. Like I'm eating the P.F. Chang's chicken fried rice. That's it. That's my forte. You know, whatever's easiest. I do prefer to use the oven than the microwave though. I just like the oven. I don't know. I'll use the microwave. I probably could have microwaved that, but nah, I didn't. Anyway. Oh, National Grouch Day. So this is described as, it's really funny. I have to get this right. National Grouch Day. A person who complains frequently or constantly. Now, I do complain frequently, yes, but not constantly. So maybe I'm not, yesterday, I was a grouch. No question. I had a grouchy day, but I'm not like that every day. So somebody who's like that every day is a grouch. But I guess this is our day to celebrate that kind of person. A person who's habitually irritable or complaining. Boy, was I irritable yesterday. I had to be on the phone with Sprint and, you know, the phone company. Man, I was yelling at them. I'm diamond painting and yelling at them. Boy, those dots went down really hard. Hey, I'm talking. Shush. He thinks he's competing for conversation there. So, next batch is ready to go in the oven. I don't really need to stir this because it wasn't really on. Oh my gosh. Do you guys know anybody that's a real grouch all the time? I don't. I want to say that I do, but you know, I think everybody has their days when they're grouchy, but not all the time. But I guess there are people like that out there. So how do you celebrate it? It seems that a grouch may be happy, but they won't admit it. Only when others are unhappy and grouchy. Oh, so they like to see other people grouchy. Interesting. Okay. This would be a good time to send a grouch e-card and then ask a friend whether they be a grouch or not to come on over, sit back, share some popcorn, relax, and watch the movie Grumpy Old Men. Okay, that's funny. That's really funny. Okay, oh, the cookies are almost ready to come out of the oven. Yay! It is also National Lucille Ball Day. Now, I just was not a fan. Really not a fan. I can't remember if I've ever even watched the show. I don't like slapstick comedy, really. I enjoy, like, Carol Burnett, but not Lucille Ball, no. But if you did, today's the day to, like, you know, watch a bunch of her stuff. Go back and, you know, with Ricky Ricardo, and oh my God, yeah. No, I mean, some of the stuff was cute, but not really that funny. Okay, let's take this stuff out of the oven. Okay, ooh, look at there. Oatmeal raisin cookies. Okay, let's put the next batch in. And I will see you back here in 12 minutes after I rescue my spatula out of the oven without burning myself. Let's see if we can do that. Oh dear. We're gonna have to send something else in to rescue it. Rebecca's Adventures in the Kitchen. All right, it's been rescued. Look at those cookies. Oh my God, they look delicious. All right, we'll be back in a few. So I have apparently I've lost the bags that I bought at Joann's. And at this point, yeah, I have these that, you know, I bought. They're Wilton bags, and you can put, you know, individual cookies in them. So I might do that. There, one cookie folded over, The cute thing is these came with these little things. They say yum, and you can put like a little clothespin on them. So I'll do that. Maybe the other ones will show up. So here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna pour these out because they're super cute. And we'll put this on the front, and we'll put the clothespin on it. I'm disappointed. I wanted those bags. So there, we have that. And then I'll just end up putting them in a larger plastic bag or something. I don't know, so they don't spoil. Why me, right? Always me. But that's, you know, maybe not everybody wants a cookie anyway, so, you know, who knows. So this way they can take 2 or they can take 1. I don't know. And these things are so cheap. Yeah, that one already broke. Okay. Because I've got big hands, you know, you need like little delicate fingers to put this on, apparently. There we go. So we have this other batch that I took out of the oven. They're not too hot right now. So I don't have a spatula. It's in the dishwasher. Let's get it out. Where is it? It's probably packed like everything else, right? All right, we're just gonna set these over here to cool by hand. Yes, because I'm done dealing with this. You get to the point where you're like, whatever, right? Whatever. But apparently, I'm seeing photos from other people who are having similar issues, like children and cats and whatever. So let's put some more dough on here, shall we? I got a batch in the oven. My dinner is done. It's over there. I always give the dogs a little bit of whatever I'm eating in their dog food. I know it's terrible. It's horrible. I'm spoiling them. I'm sorry. But you know what? It is what it is. And then I'll eat later on. But I had to turn the oven temperature down a little and then cook them for a little bit longer because they weren't getting done in the middle. I probably should have made these a bit smaller. I don't even know if I'm gonna have 20. Yeah, well, I'll have a little bit more than 20. So everybody will get a cookie from me. A cookie. Oh, you know what? It is what it is. I'm not making another batch. I'm going to relax for the rest of the evening, guys. Yes. I plan on having a good time. I will film as much as I can to share with you next week. They're probably, depending on when I get back. I'm going to leave on Sunday. If I'm tired, I may stop at a hotel, which means there won't be a show on Monday unless I go live from the car, which, you know, that's a possibility. You never know with me. If I get home on Sunday, then there will, of course, be a show on Monday morning. So, guys, please enjoy your weekend. Think of me, and I will think of you as well. And please take care. Love you. See y'all later. Bye.